Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today the chapter which we are going to discuss is the biodiversity. We all are aware of the fact that varieties or the different organisms are found in the different parts of the world. Some organisms are very peculiar to their specific area, like polar bear are found in the Arctic region, camels are found in the desert, penguins thrive well in the Antarctic region, isn't it? So different organisms, living in the different environment shows greater variations. We can even find the difference in the gene even among the individual of the same species. Even in the humans also we find those kinds of differences in the individual until if it is not a twins. So it implies that environment around us is full of diversity. So this diversity found among the organisms has given birth to the concept of biodiversity or biological diversity. So this term biodiversity was used by Lovejoy in 1980. The word biodiversity has become now synonymous with the diversity or the variety of life on the earth. In a very simple words, if we have to put biodiversity, then it means the sum total of various type of microorganisms, plants and animals present in a living community system or the ecosystem. So in harmony, okay, when the organisms, plants and animals are living together in one particular physical environment of a specific area, then we can call it as a biodiversity. The concept of biodiversity is usually subdivided into following three different levels of each, which has its own significance, namely genetic, species and ecosystem biodiversity. Genetic biodiversity refers to the genetic makeup of a species. Every individual member of the same community also differs from that others, which is primarily done due to the distinct genetic makeup of each individual, which means that there is a variability or difference in the gene among the members of the same species also. As I have already said, even the two offsprings from the same parents could not be similar, except if it is a twins. So there we will find genetic differences even in the children of the same parents also. This is because of the genetic makeup of the species of every individual. Different genetic makeup will be there, so we find those differences even in the offspring of the same parent. Species biodiversity means full range of species of plants and animals present in a specific region. It means that a variety of species are found in a one particular area. Now, the number of species per unit area is known as species richness. Some areas are very rich in species while others area lack them too. Everywhere it is not uniformly distributed. For example, higher varieties of species biodiversity are found in tropical rainforest, but it lacks in the desert area. In desert area, less number of species are found. Ecosystem diversity refers to the variety of ecosystem existing in the particular geographic area. Since our Earth has a large variety of ecosystem such as forest, grasslands, deserts, mountain, plateaus, plains, as well as aquatic ecosystems are also there like rivers, lake, ponds, wetlands, seas, etc. Each of this ecosystem has its own complement of distinct interlinked species based on the differences in the habitat. So all those kinds of ecosystem which exist in the earth, they have varieties of species within them, and those species are interdependent with each other. They always interact with each other for the sustainability. Now this kind of diversity we call it as ecosystem diversity. In view of fast degradation of ecology and biodiversity, it has become necessary for us to conserve biodiversity. Our Earth is only a unique planet. This is only the planet which is known to have life in it. in the entire solar system. So, the present form of life on the planet Earth is the result of organic evolution, which started around 4 billion years ago. Therefore, we are ethically bound by several reasons which can justify our concern and effort to conserve biodiversity. Few of the reasons I have enumerated as follows. Each species has right to exist and live a comfortable life like human beings. All species are interdependent, and loss of one species results in the adverse effect on other members of the community. Humans must learn to live within the same ecological limitations as is done by the other species. People must hold themselves responsible for their unethical deeds like illegal poaching of animals, killing of animals. The present generation is responsible for the welfare of the future generation also. Efforts should be made for proper utilization of natural resources. There should be no wastages of these resources. Nature has provided us spiritual and aesthetic values which go beyond economic values. Biodiversity provides a base to probe into the origin of life. Apart from all those reasons, from the economic consideration or the economic point of view also, biodiversity has a great significance. It provides base for the growth of large number of industries. So for that reason too, we should be conserving biodiversity. So with this we come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share and comment on the video. Thank you for watching.